So you find Drupal modules at drupal.org/project/modules. There are search and filtering interfaces there to help you narrow your selection. You'll also find a huge amount of community-based discussion on this site to help you determine what modules might meet the needs of your customers. Each module will have a project information page, which will indicate who are the maintainers for that module if you wish to get in contact with them. There's a search interface for the issue queue for all issues, open and closed, and current bug reports. There's also summary information evaluating in relative terms how actively maintained each project is and what kind of support it's receiving. To install a module, you will download an archive file to your site's All Modules folder. Normally, you would download a tarball on a Mac or other Unix-based system and a zip file for Windows. You would normally download the current major release version for the particular Drupal install that you're working with. You would then select that archive from your file system on the module screen, choose the file, and click Install. While it is possible to directly install a module from its URL at drupal.org, not all security configurations will permit this. To disable a module, you would remove any requirements on the module, uncheck the module name, and save configuration in reverse of how you enabled a module. But you cannot disable a module if it's required by any other. So, for example, here, the Site Profile Information module requires the Acquia Agent module. Therefore, the Acquia Agent module has its enabled checkbox grayed out. You would first need to uncheck the dependent module, save configuration, and then you would be able to disable the module on which it depends. Let's walk through installing and enabling a module. I've gone out to the address drupal.org/project/masquerade to download this module, which allows me to mimic another user account to quickly and easily test the impact that various roles and permissions have on the appearance of a site. I could examine who's maintaining it, I could look up issues related to it, and so on. In this case, I want to download the current recommended release of the module for my operating system. I'll go ahead and download that to Sites All Modules within my Drupal installation. Then I'll return to my site and go to the Modules page, select Install New Module, and go to choose this file from the file system. When I install the file, it will be extracted on the file system and it will become available in the modules list. I can scroll down through the list to locate my Masquerade module. I'll check and save configuration. This particular module enables its functionality through a block. So I will go to the Structure menu, Blocks, locate my Masquerade block, and I'm going to position it in the left sidebar. I'll save this change, go back to the main page, and we now see an interface on the main page allowing me, for example, to masquerade as the anonymous user. When I click Go, I now see the site as it would appear to an anonymous user. For example, my welcome block disappears, as does the management menu, but I can quickly and easily switch back to my prior login.